Hi folks! In this video, I'm going to teach you the 5 easy steps to becoming a famous rock star God hero. Step 1, you need a cool outfit. Get rid of that stupid baseball hat. You need something way cooler than that. Alright, now step 2, once you've got a really cool outfit, you're going to need some makeup. So it's best to start with some lipstick. Just go ahead and put the lipstick on. You know, when you're a rock star, you want to make sure you look really good because people are looking at you all the time and you're always in the spotlight. So the big important part of being a rock star is to have good makeup artists and so you look good all the time. Also, having tattoos helps. Okay, the next step to becoming a super famous rock star God hero, now that you've got your radical outfit picked out, you've got your super fly makeup on, your hair is just right, step number 3 is to hire some really good musicians to be in your band and even write your songs for you. What's next in the road to becoming a super famous rock star God hero? Step number 4. Doesn't matter how cool your outfit is, how super fly your makeup looks, how awesome your songs are. You have to sell your soul to the corporate devil. Just sign away. So now, you've made it. You're a super rock star God hero. You're selling out big stadiums. Your song is top 1 on the list of all the lists. But what do you do to really seal the deal? Take all the credit. Forget about all those little people that helped you get up to the top. You did it all by yourself. You're a rock star.